Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before. Then you
I almost forgot to mention this in the video. You could basically have them ship it to you, or you could set what store you want to go and pick it up. And I picked it up. If you do it the same business day to pick it up, usually it takes like maybe about 30 minutes. They'll let you know about 30 minutes to an hour. They'll tell you when it's ready for pickup, and you could just go to the store and pick up the item. That's easy and simple without you waiting for like 10 days or so, you know, maybe a week, maybe 3 days or less. It's easier to just do the online pickup. So you just go and pick it up in the store and you'll be good to go. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing on this Diehard impact power head gun. And but before that, I'm gonna get into this. I want you guys to save some money. So I got it from Advanced Auto Parts. And what I want you to do, if you're planning on getting this, because you know Diehard is a good brand. I know Diehard for a while, but this is only the unboxing. So, but for you to save money, when you go online, go on Advanced Auto Parts, register. They're gonna automatically give you a coupon code anyways without you registering as a guest, but you save more when you register. When you register, you're gonna get an additional $5 off. Now this right here is like $129 plus tax. They probably run about $140. But because I did all that, I went online, I signed up, I register, and here's the receipt right here. So I'm telling you the truth. And it depends on the taxes in your state. The taxes here in Florida is 7%. So basically, I got the item discounted as I got $23.75 off, and I paid, after taxes, I paid $113.68. The subtotal was $106, but you know the tax, which is $7.44, hit it, and it ended up being $113.68. So that's that. But anyways, let's get into this video. I gotta clean up my car. I really do. Yeah, let's get down to business, guys. All right, guys. So this is it right here. You know, the impact gun, cordless impact wrench. Diehard. Sorry about that. 20 volts, ½ inch. Here it is, guys. So here's the manual. If you don't know how to use it and everything, the manual is there for you guys to read. You guys know not random, don't do none of that. Here's one to the side if you want to use that part. Here we go. Let me get this part out. All right, guys, this is the charger. Yes, it comes with a charger, guys. So it comes with a charger. It tells you when the battery is no good, like basically dead, when it's charging, when it's getting half there and full. So this is the charger, guys. Oh my goodness, I need to put it back in properly. That's the charger. Now this right here is the gun itself. As you can see, impact gun. It's very, not too heavy. Let me bring it back. Let me camera this way, put it back up here. So here's it, guys. Look at it. So the side, you have a button right here on the side, have another one here on the side. So I guess if you want to go this way to let go left, it'll loosen it, and to go on the right side is to tighten it. So it's not too heavy. Maybe, I don't know, maybe about 5 pounds. I don't know. So And the battery, last but not least, so it's gonna be even more heavier, maybe about 7 pounds maybe with the battery. Here it goes. So you have the 20 lithium 20, it said 20 volts 2.0 AH lithium ion battery, and he said Diehard on the side, power ahead, and at the front it have two part that you clip, two button that you pressed in, I guess, to release it if you want to remove it. And here it have a sticker right here. I don't even know if I should remove it. Here you guys, so you guys see you have a sticker that you can remove it, I guess. I'm gonna try to remove it and see if it show. Oh, it turned on. You guys see it green, light up, it lit up green. It went back dead. Okay, so I'm gonna remove it. And I don't know if I should keep it there. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna keep it there. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it right there. I'm not gonna remove it. So keep it right there, because it shows you, I guess when you're charging it, it's gonna show you when it's full, which one indicates full, almost full, half, and almost dead. So it indicates you. So leave it, don't remove that sticker, leave it right there. And excuse me, I'm guessing this is how you connect it. Pretty easy. You connect it just like this, you remove it just like so, and you, once it click in, ooh, it's powerful. So this one is to tighten on the side, and this is to loosen on the left. So when you click left, it'll go left. When you click right, it'll go right. So yeah, and it shows you, it showed me the battery life. You guys probably can't even see. When I press the button, it lit up and it go out. So you press it. Yeah, the camera's not picking it up, but it's showing when it's green and where the battery actually at. So you'll see it. But that's it for the unboxing, guys. Let me remove it. I'm gonna take it home and charge it up. Here we go. Yeah, charge it up, guys. It's a quick unboxing. I'm gonna try to put that together. Put this back into the box. It's very neat, very handy, so you can remove your tires easy. You don't have to kill yourself. But once again, guys, make sure when you purchasing it, you go online and you register. Sorry, not remove nothing. Don't remove nothing. When you go online on Advance Auto Parts, register. You're gonna get an extra $5 discount, and you'll get it for the $113. You're gonna put in that code that they give you. They're gonna give you a code at the top, so you could type in this code, whatever. Or you could download the app as well. But make sure you register. Make sure you signed in. You're gonna get an extra, I think, $5 off, and then you're gonna get an extra 15% or something like that off. But it depends on the coupon code in your area. Once you get that code, you're gonna save a lot of money. Now, as I said, I trust in Diehard. I had a Diehard Platinum battery long time ago before Sears went out of business, and that battery, I had that battery over 5 years. And even though the battery wasn't even showing no sign of being good. I remember I went to somewhere, I went to test the battery. It was basically gone. The battery was, the cells was basically dead for the battery, because they made the platinum, the Diehard Platinum, with like metal plates inside. And when they tested, they told me the battery is no good. So they asked me how I'm gonna leave here, whatever, leave the location. I told them, don't worry, my car is gonna start. And it took me like 2 to 3 tries, and the car starts right up. The battery is so good. Even though it show on their computer, whatever, on their machine saying that the battery is done, no good. That's why I trust in Diehard. It really works. I got my money's worth out of that battery. Like, that battery was amazing. So this is my first time using the power tool. I'm gonna do a review on it in the coming weeks, maybe next week or something, because I have to purchase the impact socket. I'm gonna have to purchase some impact socket for my lug nuts so I could take them off and put them on, and I'm gonna do a video while me doing it, and it's gonna be way easier than killing yourself in the hot sun, or even when you're in the shade you're trying to take off your tire with the original old school way. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do it the easiest way. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. So peace out, bye bye, take care, God bless. I am out.
Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money, get into the money, get into it. Get into the money.